Today's video is to decorate our empty wall, and we decided to build a simple shelving on it. First, we measured how long, deep, and how many shelves it's gonna be, and we cut it according to the measurement that we wanted. Then, we sanded it until it gets smooth and nice. And we decided to have 3 shelves there. From the wall, we had to find a stud where you screw the attachment of your shelf to give it a support. And we had to make it sure that your brackets are level so that your shelves are not wonky-donkey looking. This is really simple project for you if you decided to build one. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and leave us a comment and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And if you are subscribed to our channel, thank you so much for watching our video until the end. I painted the shelves the same color of the wall to blend it. Voila! I put some decoration on it. For Christmas tree card holder, we used tape and shaped it like Christmas tree where you put hot glue on it so later it won't be a problem taking it down to chip the paint off. Then, we put garland from leftover last project. Be careful to use hot glue. And we put our Christmas cards from our families and friends. Thank you for watching and hope you had a Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year!